Okay, Ez.
What's it got over there, Izzy? What do you see? Can you tell me what trucks are out here right now? What trucks do you see?
Wait, tell him when to stop.
Oh.
Can we keep going?
Yeah.
Which one do you want him to go get?
You stop. When you go out the way, you stop.
Right here.
Right over there. Then all we have love action.
Oh, there it goes, Izzy.
We have love action.
Whoa.
Yeah. My baby.
Oh my
Hey, ain't that
goodness.
You see it? It's coming, Izzy.
Look at that.
Woo.
Esther, what do you think? All right. Look, I'm looking at that like, all right.
Oh, yeah. That thing, man.
Wow. Izzy, what is that? You gonna
Go
go see?
ahead.
Go see.
Go ahead.
Really?
We'll put you up there, okay? All right, climb on up in the seat. Let your daddy get a picture of it.
Whoa, what are you doing up there? Izzy, what are you doing?
What you doing, Ez?
Yeah? That's the bucket? Is that how you move it? Well, it's off now, baby.
I tell you what.
Uh-oh. Oh, no, Izzy. Uh-oh, Izzy.
Let me sit down there and then you sit in the lap.
What you think? Ray?
All right, come on up.
Did you think it was going to be heavy?
All right, I'm gonna back it up a little bit, so don't touch anything, okay?
He don't know what to do.
Right, he like, yeah.
Oh no.
Okay, Ez.
It's that big. See, Ez was trying to make this an amusement ride, and I just don't know how I feel about it.
All right, now.
Oh, Lord.
I know, right?
All right.
You freaking out, Mom? Oh, man. You about to lose this stuff.
See, I always see the from a distance. Everybody seen it coming.
So what all we got to see, Ezzy? Let's go take a tour so we can see how to do the stuff. Wanna go look around? Come on, let's go look around.
See, look right here on this screen, buddy. See right there? That's behind us and beside us.
Look on the screen, Ezzy. You got to see what's behind you.
See that? That's beside us. So that's out that side right there, and then that's behind us. So that way you can see what you're doing.
Can you see behind you? Who's behind you now? Are you all clear? Okay.
Yes, sir. We're looking good, aren't we?
What else do we see, Ezzy? What else is in here?
Oh, I see that little excavator.
Yeah? What are you using right now? What are those called?
With the pedals.
Those are the pedals? Is that how it goes forward and backward?
Yeah.
What? How'd you lift up that arm? What'd you push?
Hey,
Huh?
go forward.
It's off right now. The safety's on.
Yeah. We got it safe now. That way we don't hit anybody.
Were you digging in that dirt over there? That was you? What? Was it cool? Yeah.
And see, we got the radio too.
Wow. Izzy, you gonna get one of these when you get older?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gonna own your own construction company so you can go dig and use cool stuff?
Say, man, yeah.
So this one's called what, Izzy? What's this one called?
Or to get the impact hammer.
The impact hammer's on there? Where?
Over there.
Oh yeah?
Wait, can we get the loader?
What's this one called though? What's this vehicle called?
Excavator.
This is the excavator?
Excavator. That's
All
right,
right.
buddy.
Dude, that was crazy.
How was that, bud?
Was that awesome? It was. What do we say?
You bet, man.
Say we had so much fun. That was super cool.
All right, come on. Let's get that loader real quick. Come on. We'll get one more.
Whoa.
Like, man, this is awesome. He gonna dream about this tonight.
Gentle, man, gentle.
Drop it, drop it! Ah! This is so fun!
Stop it.
Let's go, let's see your place. Yeah, Ezra! Ezra, you don't got it!
Oh my God.
All right.
Jump it!
Stop it! Stop it!
Oh, Lord.
Damn.
Did you see? It came off the ground. Those wheels came off the ground.
This boy here.
Look at that
Oh,
big
my
guy.
goodness.
Yeah.
Oh man, Ezzy.
Sir, there's no leaning in a $400,000 machine.
He said he gonna lean in it. I'm gonna lean in this loader.
Please.
Like, come on, Mom. It doesn't cost that much.
Happy birthday, dude.
But he's coming to my house.
No, he is.
He's coming to your house. All right. All right. It's time to get the party started, isn't it?
I'm telling you.
That's right.
You ready to go, Ezzy?
Where?
We gotta go home.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Is that good?
I'm gonna try to drive.
No, you're not. Come on.
Come on, hop out. Let's go.
Say, Mom, that's the fun part, though.
You want to sit up there for a second?